thick and creamy cashew mayo. This mayo was mentioned in our Big Mac video. A lot of people asked for the recipe, so we decided to put together a quick video on how to make it.
Now, one of the most important things about this is what tool you're going to use to make this mayonnaise, and that is a high-powered blender.
If you don't have a high-speed blender, you're going to have to do things a little bit different. I will explain that in a minute.
First off, we're going to add 1 cup of cashews. Brian, would you like to explain the cashew difference?
Okay, if you don't have a high-speed blender, you're going to want to soak the cashews overnight or boil them for like 15 minutes in water. These are what they call raw cashews, though there's really no such thing as raw cashews. These are the raw unsalted.
Next is 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon or so of prepared mustard.
This recipe is kind of forgiving. You can play with the ingredients a little bit, get it the way you like it, and I have to do it the other way because I'm left-handed.
1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast.
The last ingredient is water, but you want to use as little water as possible to get the consistency needed. And this is where playing with the blender just a little bit to get it just right is the way to go. I'm going to go, that's about 1/4 cup to start. Pop the cap on and blend.
Now, once you get the blending going, you will notice the movement of your blender mixture. You want to start at a low blending speed and very slowly, gradually ump up the speed. Once that vortex in the center goes away, you want to stop because that's going to cause problems. This is how I get it to be super thick and creamy without adding too much liquid. I go slow and low.
Okay, after a couple of minutes on the blender and scraping down the sides, we have a lovely, thick mayo. I mean, look at that. It's got a great texture, really thick. You can see it's very, very thick. And let's taste it. I get just the slightest hint that it's made from cashews, but other than that, a little bit of mustard and the lemon juice really do spice this up. And then adding in the garlic powder and onion powder takes away some of that sweetness that comes from cashews. So this makes a really great mayo to use on a sandwich, to use in dressings like our Big Mac special sauce. But overall, it's just a really great way to make a really simple cashew mayo.
Now, this is a small amount, but because this is so easy to make, using the smaller quantities makes it a lot easier to blend. So I suggest keeping the smaller amount and just making it more frequently.
We're just going to remove this from the blender, put it into a container, and keep it in the fridge. It'll keep for about a week or 2. After that, well, just make more. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time on The Bistro.